You know what the biggest banks in the world are doing quietly behind closed doors? They are moving into blockchain. Not the loud, flashy kind of crypto you see on social media. Something much more serious. Built for trillion-dollar financial systems. And there is one project sitting right at the center of all of it. Most people have never heard of it, but the smart money has. It is called Canton Network, and its token is CC. If you are confused about what this is, don't worry. Your brother Charlie is here to make you understand. Canton Network is a Layer 1 blockchain. But forget everything you know about regular crypto projects. This was not built for retail traders chasing the next 100x. This was built for banks, financial institutions, and large enterprises. The whole purpose of Canton is one thing: to bring real-world assets onto the blockchain. Bonds, gold, government treasury bills, real estate. These are called real-world assets, or RWA, and Canton is building the infrastructure so that big financial players can tokenize these assets safely, privately, and at scale. Now here is what separates Canton from every other blockchain. Privacy. Most blockchains are fully transparent, every transaction visible to everyone. That works for regular crypto. But imagine a bank doing a billion-dollar bond transaction. They cannot let the whole world see that. Canton solves this by giving participants configurable privacy. You decide what is visible and what stays private. That single feature changes everything for institutions. Canton also works as a network of networks. Each bank or financial firm runs their own private ledger, but they can still connect and transact with each other through a shared backbone called the global synchronizer. Private control plus shared connectivity, both at the same time. Now let us talk about CC, the token. Every time someone uses the global synchronizer, they pay a fee in CC. Those fees are permanently burned, destroyed, gone. At the same time, new CC is minted as rewards for the people running the network. So the more Canton gets used, the more CC gets burned. More usage, more burning. That creates natural pressure on the supply over time. Now who is actually using Canton? Because this is where things get serious. DTCC, the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, is the backbone of the entire American financial market. Every stock trade in America passes through DTCC, and they are building a pilot on Canton to tokenize U.S. Treasury securities. That is one of the most powerful endorsements any blockchain project has ever received. On top of that, a pilot involving 27 major market participants already ran live tests tokenizing gilts, Eurobonds, and gold. This is the real financial system testing Canton as its future infrastructure. CC is available on major exchanges including Bybit, OKX, Kraken, and KuCoin. No pre-mine, no venture capital dump. All tokens are earned through actual network participation. Grayscale has also flagged Canton as a top regulatory winner, meaning analysts believe CC is well positioned as global crypto regulations become clearer. So, what is the big picture? Canton is not competing for gaming or collectibles. It is going after something far bigger, the multi-trillion-dollar world of traditional finance. If institutions start moving bonds and treasuries onto blockchain, Canton wants to be the rails that carry all of it. That is the bet on the table. Risks exist: competition, slow institutional adoption, regulatory hurdles. But the foundations are serious, and the names involved are not small players. Let us wrap up the video. But before that, this video is purely for educational purposes. Nothing here is financial advice. Crypto markets carry real and significant risk. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Always do your own research and make decisions based on your own situation. Stay sharp, stay safe, and Charlie will see you in the next one.